Hey guys, you know what today is? That's right, it's Whip It Up Wednesday. And today I'll be making this chili mac in the slow cooker. So just stay right there and I'll be right back to show you how I did it. Okay guys, so the ingredients we're going to be using today will be browned ground beef, chili beans, kidney beans, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, water, diced onion, chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, oregano, and garlic. So I've already browned the beef and chopped it into little crumbles. I'm going to go ahead and put that into the slow cooker. Let's see if I can do this without cracking the crock. I'm scraping to get all the little tidbits because that's where a lot of the flavor is. Okay, put that back over here. You go ahead and move this a little bit closer. Now the first thing I want to do is add in my chili powder. Yeah, that's a lot of chili powder, but I like it kind of spicy. And my oregano, my pepper flakes, my cumin, my salt. Throw some over for good luck. And my pepper. I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir so the spices get well incorporated into the meat. I'm going to go ahead and put this on low now. We'll go ahead and add in the garlic and the onion. Give it another little mix. Now I'm going to add in my tomatoes, along with my beans and my other beans. Then I will pour in my tomato sauce. Then I'm going to give this a stir. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste to this other measuring cup and add about a cup of water to it and give it a little whisk. That way we don't have clumps of tomato paste inside of our chili. I know I could have just used more tomato sauce, but you would come out better by buying tomato paste and diluting it into a sauce than just buying straight up tomato sauce. Plus it's a little bit thicker. Okay, now I'm going to give it another stir. Look how nice and thick that is. Unfortunately, it's a little too thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more water and mix that in. And that looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to put the lid on here and let it cook for about 3 to 4 hours. And at that point, I'll bring you back to show you the next step. Okay, so we're back. Our pasta has finished cooking. We take the lid off of here and give this a little stir. Ooh, it smells so good. Now we're just going to take our pasta, pour it right in, make a little bit of noise, stir it in, make sure all the pasta is covered by the chili. Okay, now I'm going to put the lid back on here. We're going to let it do its thing for about 30 more minutes and then I'll bring you back to give it a taste. I'll see you then. Okay guys, so our chili mac should be done. Let's take the lid off and give it a little look. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Nice and thick. And yeah, I know it's not macaroni, but I didn't have any, so I used what I had, which happened to be rotini. So I'm going to dish up a little bit of this. I'm going to put this on keep warm. Doesn't that look good? Let's give it a taste. You know, want to keep that skin. It's not too spicy. Actually, it could use a little bit more spice for my liking, but that's something we can add later. I think I like using rotini better because the little ridges hold more of the chili sauce. So that's how I make my chili mac. If you guys make chili mac, tell me below in the comments what you do differently. Also, check out the description box below, and I will leave links to everybody else that has put out a video this week participating in Whip It Up Wednesday. And until next time, I'll see you then. Actually, it could use a little bit of more. So that's how I make my chili mac. Do you guys make it? Do you guys make it?